everyone and welcome to this DIY tutorial. Now, I don't know how many times I've been frustrated about the mess in my spooling threads. I mean, this is how I organize them. But help is here because in this video I will show you how to make a simple way of organizing and displaying all the spools so you will easily find them. Let's go! First off, I took a leftover piece from a furniture, just a simple square with enough thickness to put nails in it. I chose my base color and mixed it well before applying it to the plate with a big brush. Don't forget to paint the sides too. When the first layer had dried, I applied a second one just to be sure everything was covered. Hammer time! I took a bunch of nails and measured on the plate where to put them so the spools would have an equal distance from each other. Then I hammered away, but make sure the nails doesn't go through the back of the plate. If you feel like decorating any further, this is the time to do that. I didn't have enough nails to cover the whole plate, so I decided to decorate the leftover space so I could put jewelry there. Now, take your messy pile of spools and organize it. I chose to sort them after color, but you could also sort them by, for example, the spool size or type of thread. And ta-da! No more time wasted on trying to look for a color you know you have, but forgot where you left it. I hope you liked this video. For more, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any ideas for other DIYs, please leave a comment down below. And if you want to support my work, you can always get me a cup of coffee. All links are in the description below. Bye bye!